In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable profile discoverability in Notion. If you want a little more privacy while using Notion, this is a simple setting that's worth knowing about. Turning off profile discoverability helps limit whether other people can find your profile more easily. And the whole process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, open Notion and make sure you are inside the workspace where you want to review this setting. On the left-hand sidebar, look near the top for your current workspace name. Next to that name, you'll see a small down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the workspace menu. This menu gives you access to several workspace-related options, including the settings area you need for this change. From that menu, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, direct your attention to the left sidebar inside that panel. You'll see different categories that organize your Notion settings, making it easier to find specific options without searching through everything at once. In that left sidebar, click on Preferences. This section contains a range of personal and workspace experience settings, including some of the privacy controls connected to your profile. After opening Preferences, scroll down through the page until you reach the Privacy section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit further. So just take your time and look carefully. When you find the Privacy section, locate the setting labeled Profile Discoverability. This is the option that controls whether your profile is easier to discover within Notion. To disable it, click the toggle switch so it moves to the off position. Once the toggle is off, the setting is disabled. That's it. You've successfully turned off profile discoverability in Notion. As a quick tip, after changing privacy-related settings, it's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm the toggle remains in the off position before closing the settings window. That way, you can be sure the change was applied correctly. If you ever want to turn this feature back on in the future, you can return to the same preferences area. Go back to the privacy section and switch the toggle on again. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to disable profile discoverability in Notion.